In this video, I'll be showing you how to solve this algebra divisibility problem. Suppose the remainder when x is divided by 3, 4, or 11 is 0. Which of the following numbers must x be a multiple of? Now, so let's underline our important information in this problem. So it says, suppose the remainder when x is divided by 3, 4, or 11 is 0. So that's one piece of important information. And then our question, which of the following numbers must x be a multiple of? X be a multiple of. Now, at the end of our question that's that's underlined, let's look at it. That's a little bit tricky. That's a little tricky wording here. So x be a multiple of. Which of the following numbers must x be a multiple of? So x is greater. X is greater. So basically, one of our choices over here on the left, one of those choices multiplied by a given number will have a product of x. So the choices on the left will be less than what we get as x. So now there's two ways that you can solve this problem. One takes a long time while the other is relatively short. So first I'll go over the long method. So one way that you can just find out what number is a multiple of x, or x is a multiple of that number, is you can just cancel. You can test and then cancel the number out. So we just take 3, 4, and 11. So that means x divided by 3 works, x divided by 4 works, and x divided by 11 works. So all we have to do is, let's take our biggest number here, which is 11. Since 11 is our biggest number, what we can do is, we can just take all the multiples of 11 and then see if they work. So 11 times 1 is 11. That does not work. 11 times 2, 22. That does not work. 11 times 3 is 33. That works with 3, but it doesn't work with 4, so that's incorrect. Then we have 11 times 4 equals 44. That works with 4, but not 3. So then 11 times 5 equals 55. That does not work. 11 times 6 equals 66. That does not work. Because 66 divided by 4 is not a whole number. Now 11 times 7 equals 77. And this will be, and 77, it does not work. 11 times 8 equals 88. This does not work. 11 times 9 equals 99. This does not work. Then 11 times 10 equals 110. This does not work. Then 11 times 11 equals 121. This does not work. And then 11 times 12 equals 132. Now, just look at this. So 132, that is... So 132 is it divisible by 3? 4, then 12, so bring down the 2, 4, so 44 times 3 is equal to 132, so that does work. So 3 works. Now we check 4. 4 divided by 132, that means we get times 3, 12, bring down the 2, and 3, so 33 times 4. does work. So that means 4 can be checked off and 11 also can be checked off. So 132 is x. X equals 132. Now if we have to look back to our problem, to our question. Which of the following numbers must x be a multiple of? So if x must be a multiple of it, that means we look at our a, b, c, d, e, and then we see which of these numbers can be multiplied by a number to get 132. So we can just divide. So 8 will not work, 15 won't work, 16 won't work, and 47 won't work. So that leaves just 6 left. Now that was the first method. Now let's look at the second, easier and shorter method. All we have to do is, because x can be any number as long as it follows the restraints, which is must be divisible by 3, 4, and 11, that original number, 6, would work in any scenario, as long as it follows the restraints. So all we have to do is we take 3, 4, and 11, and all we do is just create one big product. So essentially 3 times 4 times 4 times 11. And that would be equal to 12 times 11 equal to 132. So 3 times 4 times 11 is equal to 132. And as we saw in our previous method, 132 does work. And so x equal to 132, and out of all of our choices, 6 is the only one that works. So 6 is the only one. So answer choice A would be the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and watch out for future videos.